Hello friends, welcome to deepmindai. Today I'm so excited because we are going to create our first movie with the help of AI. Yeah, now it's so simple. We can say simple or prompt through we can create our own movie. So before go ahead, understand how we can create our own movie. Let's enjoy this beautiful scene which I have created with the help of AI. Hope you will enjoy this beautiful scene. Now let's create our first movie scene. In order to create your movie scene, all you have to search Pixverse, and now you have to click the link on top. Just click on get started in web. Login with Google account. You will have this wonderful interface, and you can see some artwork already here. And what we have to do in order to create our movie scene, first we have to create our character. In order to create movie scenes, we need to create our character first. So all we have to do, we have to come here, character, click here. Now we have to create the character, click here, and just we need to upload an image. This can be our reference image. We have just uploaded an image. Now we have to name the project. Just click on create character. The character is in processing. Now we have to create our first movie scene. So all we have to click on generate. Now we have to enter the prompt, and now we have you can see we have three options. So we have to go to the character here, and now we have to enter the prompt. I have entered my prompt, and now we have option here. We can make it auto. I think that if you want, you can select this one, but I will recommend you should select this one. Now we have aspect ratio. As you are watching this video, this is 16:9, so we will keep this as it is. Now you can select your seed accordingly. Now all you have to do, you have to just click on create the scene. It will take at least 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes our first scene will be ready. I'm going to generate one more scene. Now you can see our first scene is absolutely ready. This is just amazing, as accordingly prompt and the character, it has created absolutely perfect scene for us. And let's watch the second one. This is just mind-blowing. You can check. Perfect. Now we can change the scene and recreate one more. So there should be consistency. Let's create one more. Wow, our third prompt is absolutely ready. Let's watch. Now you can see the consistency in character. She is the same girl we have uploaded with different scene. So let's watch the other scene, the last one. Wow, this is just amazing. You can see this looks so real, and you can create your own scene by using different prompt. Now all we have to do, you might have seen here the download option. All you have to do, you have to download this scene, and you can see the download option here. Just click here and download your scene. In order to create movie scene, to generate voiceover and lip sync, we are going to use Runway ML. So you will find the link in description. So this will be the interface here. So all you have to do, first you have to add some dialogue, and now we have to upload the scene we just have created. Now we have a different voice option. I'm going to select this one. Once everything is perfect, all you have to do, you have to click on generate. It will take a second. Within seconds our first scene will be ready. Now you can see our first scene is completely ready. Let's watch the first scene.
I am on boat. I really like weather. It's so cool out here.
You can see this is just mind-blowing. Hope you have enjoyed how we can create our own movie scenes. And after this, all you have to do, whatever software you are using for editing purpose, you can create such scenes and you can merge all scenes together, and now you are able to create your own movie with AI. Hope you enjoy this session. Please share, subscribe, DeepMind AI. Thank you so much.